In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Google Calendar for Productivity 2026 step by step. Open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left panel, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars and choose Create New Calendar. Build a simple set of categories so your schedule is instantly readable at a glance. Work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar a distinct color and keep the palette consistent across your week. Clear color coding makes it easier to scan your day, spot priorities, and avoid overbooking similar types of tasks. Next, fine-tune your defaults so every new event starts off useful. Open Settings, then Event Settings. Set a default event duration that matches your typical flow, like 30 or 60 minutes. Add 2 reminders, for example 10 minutes before and 1 hour before, and choose whether you want email alerts or on-screen notifications. Dialing these in once reduces decision fatigue and cuts down on missed tasks. Now switch from a long to-do list to time blocking. Drop blocks directly on your calendar for the work you actually intend to do. For example, schedule 8 o'clock to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like real appointments. If something slips, move the block instead of deleting it so your plan stays visible. To reduce repetitive scheduling, make key events recur. Open an event and set it to repeat. Good candidates include weekly planning on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Automating these anchors keeps your routine steady without extra clicks. Protect your focus using built-in tools. Add focus time to automatically limit incoming meetings during your deep work windows. Mark out of office when you're unavailable so new invites are declined for you. If you use Google Tasks, show tasks on your calendar to see exactly where they fit, turning intentions into protected time. Ensure you never miss an update by syncing everywhere. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and sign in with the same account. Connect Calendar with Gmail so invites from email appear automatically, and link your video tools like Meet or Zoom so every call has a join link ready without hunting. Finally, enrich each event's description. Add a quick agenda, keynotes, links to video calls or documents, and a short checklist. Keeping context inside the event means everything you need is in one place when it's time to work. Follow these steps, and your calendar becomes a reliable system that organizes your time and boosts your productivity every day.